How to contact Snapchat customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can contact Snapchat customer support, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to contact Snapchat customer support, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Now you cannot directly call a support team and then let them know about your issue, because remember that Snapchat has billions of users worldwide, which means that they cannot actually keep track with each of you who are actually there and using Snapchat. But what you can do instead is you can actually just go ahead and then send your problem and then submit a request as to what kind of issues you're having. To do this, tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left, tap the gear icon from the top right, scroll down over here, you'll find the option called I need help. Tap on I need help, select the type of help you need as to why you're having, what issues you're having, and then select, let's say my account is compromised, and then after that you want to contact the support team. Just submit a request like this, select a reason, fill in the form, and then you should be good to go. But you cannot directly call them in their number or talk to a live support team, because that is something Snapchat doesn't allow you to. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.